morning, fellow bikers, cyclists. It's a little noisy as the lawn guys are doing their thing on the street. Today is Wednesday, October 13th, 2021. Started a bike ride at 17 minutes after 10. Didn't have to wrestle any gator skins today. I'm riding the Lenski R300. Normally I don't ride it 2 days in a row, but with the new iCan Cycling Alpha 50 wheels, I wanted to give it 2 days in a row. Weather is 85 degrees, wind is out of the south at 10 miles an hour, partly cloudy. Today's route, I'm going to go north through Porter to Community Drive, make a U-turn there, take 59 south, back through Valley Ranch, maybe Forest Colony, then Valley Ranch, to FM 1314, and then FM 1314 to the northwest to Gene Campbell Boulevard, make a U-turn there and then back. Probably 35 miles, maybe 36. I'm riding west on Log Orchard Lane in Woodridge Forest on my way to US 59. Got several homes under construction here for, I believe it's Century Communities. Framers are going crazy. Lots of white fluffy clouds in the sky. That's the south, north. Headed north on the US 59 I-69 frontage road. Approaching FM 1314 in Porter. Have a nice tailwind now. Riding west on Olympic Forest Drive in Forest Colony. I'm going to turn left at this street, which is Lexor Drive. This will take me to Azalea Boulevard, where I'll turn right. Generally have a headwind at this point. Headed northwest on FM 1314. Just crossed over Riverwalk and Sandy Lane intersection. On my way, next intersection with a traffic light is Timberlake or Timber Lane. Yellow flowers. Got a few of them along this side. Right now the wind is kind of a side wind. I made the U-turn at Gene Campbell Boulevard, so I'm riding southeast on FM 1314. Some headwind. More yellow flowers. really picked up. Not sure why. Still going the same direction.